Today we're going to talk about expand and contract. I'm going to demonstrate expand and contract by using a bottle with a balloon on top. Let's watch. Demonstrate expand and contract. I have a demonstration. This bottle is empty with the exception of oxygen that's inside it. I placed a balloon over top of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place this bottle in a beaker of water that is almost at its boiling point. We're going to watch what happens to the balloon. So when matter starts to expand, the particles spread apart. So let's watch what happens to the balloon itself as those oxygen particles start to spread apart. You will notice that the balloon itself will start to expand and inflate. See, the heat from the water is causing the oxygen inside the bottle to heat, and therefore those oxygen particles are expanding, which causes the balloon to inflate. In order to demonstrate contract, we're just going to reverse what we did. We're going to take the bottle out of the boiling water and we're going to place it in some cold water with some ice packs inside. As matter starts to contract, the particles shrink together, and in this case it's demonstrated by the fact that the balloon is now deflating. The exception to the expand rule is water. When water is cooled down, it actually expands rather than contracts. Here we have a bottle of water before we place it in a freezer, and so after we place it in the freezer, the water will freeze into a solid and we'll be able to observe how water expands. We have that same bottle of water after it is frozen into a solid. As you can see, the bottom part of the water bottle has expanded or spread out because when water freezes, it actually expands. So, in summary, when matter expands, it spreads out. The particles move farther apart. When it contracts, those same particles shrink together. The case with the gas demonstrates that when the oxygen inside the bottle expanded, the balloon inflated. When the gas inside the bottle started to cool off, it contracted or deflated. One exception is water. Water, when it freezes, it actually expands or spreads out.